Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Emma Brown.
Let me check the booking.
Sure, take your time.
Yes, I found your reservation.
Great, thank you.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 3 nights.
What type of room did you book?
I booked a single room.
Your room number is 214.
Okay, thank you very much.
Would you like help with your luggage?
Yes, please. My bag is heavy.
No problem. I can help you.
That's very kind of you.
Here is your room key.
Thanks. Where is the elevator?
It is near the restaurant.
Okay, I see it now.
Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, it is completely free.
Wonderful. That sounds great.
Do you need the Wi-Fi password?
Yes, please write it down.
Here it is on this paper.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your stay at our hotel.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the hotel.
Hello, I would like to book a room.
Sure. For how many nights?
I need a room for 2 nights.
What dates will you stay?
From Friday to Sunday.
Okay, let me check availability.
Sure, thank you.
We have single and double rooms.
I would like a single room.
The single room is $70 per night.
Does the price include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
That sounds good.
Would you like a room with a balcony?
Yes, if possible.
No problem. We have one available.
Great, I'll take it.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Miller.
Can I see your ID card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your booking is confirmed.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Your room number will be 408.
Okay, that's perfect.
Check-in starts at 2 p.m.
I understand.
Do you need parking space too?
Yes, I have a car.
Parking is free for hotel guests.
That's very helpful.
We hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I'm excited to stay here.
Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel.
Hello, I would like to check in.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a room online.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Olivia Smith.
Let me check your booking.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, I found your reservation.
Great, I'm happy to hear that.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 2 nights.
You booked a double room.
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your passport or ID?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. Please sign this form.
Okay, I'll sign it now.
Your room number is 512.
Thank you very much.
Here is your room key card.
Thanks. Where is the elevator?
It's beside the restaurant.
Okay, I see it.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, it is free for guests.
Wonderful. That sounds nice.
Do you need help with your bags?
Yes, please. They are heavy.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you for your kindness.
Enjoy your stay at our hotel.
Thank you. I'm excited to stay here.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Hello. I want to ask about room prices.
Sure. What type of room do you need?
I need a single room for one night.
Our single room costs $60.
Does the price include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
That sounds good.
We also have double rooms.
How much is the double room?
The double room is $90 per night.
Is Wi-Fi included too?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
Great. That's important for me.
Would you like a room with a balcony?
Does it cost extra?
Yes, it costs $10 more.
Okay, that's reasonable.
We also have luxury rooms.
How much are those rooms?
They start at $150.
That's too expensive for me.
No problem. The standard rooms are comfortable.
I think the single room is fine.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 2 nights.
Your total cost will be $120.
Okay, I understand.
Would you like to book the room now?
Yes, please reserve it for me.
Great. Your booking is confirmed.
Thank you for your help today.
Welcome to the hotel.
Thank you very much.
How can I help you?
I need a hotel room.
Single or double room?
What is the difference?
Single rooms have one bed.
Okay, and double rooms?
Double rooms have 2 beds.
I understand now.
Are you staying alone?
Yes, just me.
Then a single room is good.
How much is it?
It is $60 per night.
That sounds reasonable.
The double room is bigger.
How much does it cost?
It is $90 per night.
That is more expensive.
Yes, but it has more space.
Does it include breakfast?
Yes, both rooms include breakfast.
That's nice to know.
Do you want a balcony?
Yes, if possible.
The balcony room costs extra.
How much extra?
Only $10 more.
Okay, that's fine.
Which room do you choose?
I will take the single room.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Your room number is 210.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay here.
I'm sure I will.
Welcome to the hotel room.
Thank you. It looks very nice.
What is your room number?
My room number is 305.
Oh, my room is nearby.
Really? That's convenient.
Do you like your room?
Yes, it is clean and comfortable.
Did you book it online?
Yes, I booked it yesterday.
How much did you pay?
I paid $80 for one night.
That's a good price.
Yes, the hotel had a discount.
Does the price include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
That's great for guests.
I'm happy about that too.
Is your room big?
Yes, it has a large bed.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, the view is beautiful.
My room number is 308.
That's very close to mine.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe an extra pillow later.
You can call room service.
Okay, thank you for the advice.
Are you staying here long?
Only for 2 nights.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. The hotel feels wonderful.
Let's meet in the lobby later.
Sure, that sounds nice.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I have some questions.
Sure, please ask me.
Is Wi-Fi available in the hotel?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
That's great to hear.
Do you need the password?
Yes, please give it to me.
The password is written here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Is the internet connection fast?
Yes, it works very well.
Perfect. I need it for work.
No problem at all.
I also want to ask about breakfast.
Breakfast is served every morning.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7 o'clock.
And when does it finish?
It ends at 10 o'clock.
Okay, that sounds good.
Breakfast is included with your room.
Wonderful. I'm happy about that.
We serve tea, coffee, and juice.
Do you also have fruit?
Yes, fresh fruit is available daily.
That's excellent.
The restaurant is on the first floor.
Thank you for the information.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, can I get extra towels?
Of course, I will send them soon.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your stay at the hotel.
Thank you. Everything is wonderful here.
Welcome to the hotel, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. My bags are heavy.
No problem. I can carry them.
That's very kind of you.
How many bags do you have?
I have 2 suitcases and 1 backpack.
Okay, I will take the suitcases.
Thank you for your help.
What is your room number?
My room number is 415.
Great. Let's use the elevator.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I'm here for vacation.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, I'm very happy to be here.
Here is the 4th floor.
The hotel looks very beautiful.
Thank you. Many guests like it.
The lobby was very impressive too.
Here is your room.
Wonderful. It looks comfortable.
Let me put your bags inside.
Thank you so much.
Do you need anything else?
Can I get extra pillows later?
Of course. Just call reception.
Okay, I understand.
The Wi-Fi password is on the desk.
Great. Thank you for telling me.
Enjoy your stay, ma'am.
Thank you. You were very helpful.
Good evening, room service?
Hello, I want to order food.
Sure. What would you like?
I would like a sandwich, please.
What kind of sandwich?
Chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries with it?
Yes, please add fries.
Anything to drink?
Yes, I want orange juice.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that is all.
May I have your room number?
My room number is 302.
Thank you. Your order will arrive soon.
How long will it take?
Around 20 minutes.
That's fine, thank you.
Do you want extra ketchup?
Yes, please add it.
No problem. I will note it.
Is there any delivery charge?
No, room service is free.
That's great to know.
Your food is being prepared.
Okay, I will wait.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe a bottle of water too.
Sure, I will add that.
Thank you very much.
Your order is on the way.
Perfect. I'm very hungry.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you for your service.
Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you. This is my first time staying in a hotel.
Don't worry, we will help you.
I feel a little nervous.
That's normal for first-time guests.
Everything looks very new to me.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Jessica Lee.
Your room is 601.
Oh, that's nice.
Here is your room key.
Thank you very much.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. My bags are heavy.
No problem. I will help you.
That is very kind of you.
The elevator is on your right.
Okay, I see it now.
Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is free for guests.
That's wonderful.
Wi-Fi details are on your desk.
Great, I will check it.
If you need anything, call reception.
Okay, I will remember that.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 3 nights.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much for your help.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to check out today.
Sure. What is your room number?
My room number is 508.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was very comfortable.
That's good to hear.
Thank you for your service.
Did you use any extra services?
Yes, I ordered room service once.
Okay, I will check your bill.
Sure, please check it.
Your total bill is $200.
Okay, I will pay now.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
Okay, done.
Payment is successful.
Great, thank you.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please, book one for me.
It will arrive in 5 minutes.
That's perfect, thank you.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I can manage it.
Okay, have a safe journey.
Thank you. I enjoyed my stay here.
We hope to see you again.
Yes, I will come back next time.